I be on so much shit on my mind. You hear me? GNO. I ain't gon' tell you pussy niggas getting around with a compact 40 bitch whole 10. My big brother told me all friendly, no friends. Gotta watch your niggas there try to kill you in the end. But it's chopper I got it, hold a big honey. And if your dog got hit, you know I probably sunk it. Sit back, watch the news, then I compliment them. Send them down the road with them grams in a fucking rental.
And when they touch down, I'ma get them off. They was already gone before this boy. Swear to God, GNO, yeah, I been a boss. Come up short with that package, that'll get you lost. Can't trust the soul, that's why it's better ride one deep. I think my next whip, that bitch gon' have one seat. Cooling system on the chop, so I don't feel the heat. Slide up on you and put a nigga underneath. Auburn nigga, I come from a raw block. You can take a piece of the half and cook up straight drop. No re-rock, free my nigga J-Rock. 6 days with that phone, I bet you I had a bitch hot.
Free my brother though, nigga. We out this bitch, nigga. Auburn half shit, nigga. Buma, baby Pablo, nigga. B.Visions on this bitch, nigga. You on every video I got now, nigga. Fuck you niggas, nigga. GNO, nigga.
Pablo. GNO on this bitch, nigga. Buma babies. What the fuck going on? Told y'all I was dropping, nigga. Coming. Bitch, we got a bag, so we hot too. That mean we bless a lot of niggas. How about you? You niggas working with the feds. I'm mixing fed with dogs, still on the block and make them plays off the Adderall. Bitch, we got a bag, so we hot too. That mean we bless a lot of niggas. How about you? You niggas working with the feds. I'm mixing fed with dogs, still on the block and make them plays off the Adderall. Bitch, I mix the bean with the Adderall. I take so many drugs I can't be around y'all. Cause y'all be hating, y'all be snaky. Y'all think I'm a bitch, and y'all think I don't think y'all niggas snitching. Yeah, I pay attention. I been really in that kitchen, focus on the mention. And Bone told me come to Frosty, let's get these bitches. I said I got the MS thing with me too, bro. If you wanna get everything for the free though. These niggas know I'm active, and I'm real attractive. Fucked your bitch 3 times, yeah, I let her have it. And I let her leave, and I'm in them trenches. Where them niggas thought was focus on the back, let's get it.
Yeah, I been in the kitchen whipping babies, nigga. Dog too strong, gotta hit it at rabies, nigga. I don't fuck with new niggas cause they shady, nigga. And if I fuck her with that bitch, she gotta pay me, nigga. I ain't take no losses, all money and rest in peace, nip. Westside Gary, so I'm a big crip. Package just came in, we need a forklift. I swear to God, through the mail, watch them pills get shipped.
Been fucked up, but I bounced back. Ain't never had a 9 or 5, I can't amount to that. I pushed on 5s for the 9 when I was on that block. I'm talking about them RPs, nigga, you better know what's up. Thankful. You know I'm passing thankful.